Hi. This video is all about letters and communications. So if you're one of our clients and you've been involved in an automobile accident, you're going to see a lot of letters. Most of them are going to come from the insurance company. The insurance company is just sending letters known as no-fault billing and NF2s and different types of documentation. They're sending it to you, they're sending it to us, and they're also sending it to the doctors. The important thing to remember is that you should be getting your medical care. You should be going to a physical therapy office near your home, and you should be getting that MRI that'll show you what your injury is and give you a diagnosis. Once you have that, then we can work with you and we could send you to a specialist. But remember that physical therapy office has a lot of different providers, like an acupuncture doctor, a chiropractor, an orthopedist. So each of these doctors is then sending a bill for the services they provide to the automobile insurance company that is paying their bill. And the automobile insurance company then takes the bill and they might say, you know what, you're asking for $100 for this visit, but we're only going to give you $65. And they just respond back to the doctor, but they copy you on it. That's why you're getting so many of these different forms and bills, and it gets a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry about it. We have it here in our office. We're reviewing it, and it's really, most of the time, it has nothing to do with your case, because your case is really about, you have the ability to get medical treatment under the no-fault system, which is like a health insurance, right? You have that medical treatment. Then you also have your bodily injury case, which is against the owner and the operator and the insurance company for the other car or cars involved in the crash. So that's your bodily injury case to get you that money for the pain and suffering. So that's your case. And this is really between the doctor trying to get paid for his or her services, the medical care and treatment that they provide to clients and patients. They're just trying to get paid, and the insurance company is trying to pay them as little as possible. And oftentimes, the medical office and the insurance carrier will then arbitrate or litigate, and that's a whole separate area of law, known as no-fault law or collections. So because you're getting all those papers, but don't worry about it. The papers usually don't have anything to do with you. So, and we have copies of everything here as well. So I hope this has been helpful, and let us know if you have any specific questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.